Understanding the 1098 tax form.
Hello there. Today, we're going to delve into a key aspect of the American taxation system, the 1098 tax form. Whether you're a homeowner, a student, or even someone with a farm mortgage, understanding the 1098 form is important. Let's discuss who receives a 1098 tax form and what information it contains.
What is a 1098 tax form?
A 1098 tax form is a statement that the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, requires certain taxpayers to complete. It serves as a record of certain types of expenses that a taxpayer may use to reduce their taxable income. The three most common types of 1098 forms are 1. Form 1098, Mortgage Interest Statement, 2. Form 1098E, Student Loan Interest Statement, 3. Form 1098T, Tuition Statement. These forms are generally provided by the entity to which you made significant payments throughout the year.
Who receives a 1098 tax form?
If you've paid at least $600 in mortgage interest, student loan interest, or tuition fees during a tax year, you should receive a respective 1098 form. 1. Form 1098, Mortgage Interest Statement, is received by individuals who've paid at least $600 in mortgage interest on their primary or secondary homes during the tax year. 2. Form 1098E, Student Loan Interest Statement, is for taxpayers who've paid $600 or more in interest on a student loan during the tax year. 3. Form 1098T, Tuition Statement, is for students who've paid qualified education expenses related to post-high school education at eligible institutions. These forms are typically sent by the institution that received the payments, i.e., your mortgage lender, the owner of your student loan, or your school.
What information does a 1098 tax form contain?
A 1098 form contains important information that you need to prepare your tax return. This includes 1. The payer's name, address, and taxpayer identification number. 2. The recipient's name, address, and taxpayer identification number. 3. The total amount paid in interest or fees during the tax year. Please remember, the amounts reported on these forms may be deductible from your income, subject to certain rules. It's advisable to consult a tax professional to help you understand these deductions. So, there you have it. We've unpacked what a 1098 tax form is, who receives it, and what information it contains. This is crucial knowledge to navigate tax season effectively. As always, it's a good practice to seek advice from tax professionals for specific queries or concerns regarding your tax situation. We hope you found this explanation helpful. Until next time, happy tax filing!